Greetings, Saber fans. It's your old pal Megtooth Sith. Got the Saber lottery getting ready to come at you live. And basically, explain everybody again, the reason I do a lottery is to keep my workbench from having too many Sabers on it and having year-long waiting lists. I used to send an email and the first to respond gets a slot. People complained, they didn't like that. So I went to a random system. So I have here the list of all 33 names in a Microsoft Word document. And then I have a random number generator, and I've got it working to pick 6 random numbers between 1 and 33. And I have 33 current people on the lottery commission list. And what we're getting ready to do is to pick the numbers. Here we go. We got the list. Oop. Virus and threat protection. We got the list, and now we're clicking over to the random number generator. I got it to pick 6 random numbers between 1 and 33. It's rolling right now. Where she stops, nobody knows. The first 3 slots get the commission. The second 3 are the alternates. Where she stops, nobody knows. Bam. The winners of the slots are 29, 26, and 30, which is going to be 29 is Ignacio Fernandez, 30 is Christian Daniel, and 26 is Amos D at iCloud.com. Then the alternates are 15, 4, and 14. That's going to be Jamie James, 13 at yahoo.com. 15, 4, and 14. 14 is versus REI at gmail.com. And then 4 was F. Corotia at extra.co.nz. So that is the lottery for April. If you have won the lottery slot, need you to respond back to me by Friday on what you want. So we can start communications about your install. Congratulations to the winners. That's going to be Christian Daniel, Ignacio Fernandez for the first 3 slots, and number 26, which was Amos D at iCloud.com. Please get in touch with me. I'll send emails confirming the win. This video will be published to my YouTube channel and to my Facebook page. Thank you everybody for watching. May the force be with you, or the dark side as it were.